Hello, this is the Tradesight US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 28th of July, 2021. We are into core earnings season. Apple and Google reported after the bell today. We've got split reactions here. Both of them beat. Apple's down aftermarket. Google's up. Microsoft also reported was down. It's weird because usually Microsoft is on a Thursday and it's the last day of core earnings. So there's been some shifts in when these stocks are reporting lately, but at any rate, what that nets out to is that the futures are currently showing a flat opening for tomorrow, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. But today was obviously a very negative day. It was worse midday, came back a bit. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form, and as you can see, came down a little bit. Let's go through the major charts. Okay, crude oil at 72.02, that's up 37 cents, which is nothing. Gold down $1.30, also nothing. The S&P cash lost 20.84 today, but it was much lower. It's more than double that down. Nasdaq 100 down 168, was also about double that, more than double that down at one point during the day. SOX down 60.94, still operating under that 13 sell signal. Biotech's down 47.04. Hasn't really done anything for a while. The Russell 2000 down 25. It's been such a flat, narrow range here on this thing. But there's really nothing to look at there. The VIX closes up $1.78 at 1936. Still not as high as it got to 25 last week. So we'll see what happens there. The trend closes at 0.86, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.15. The Nasdaq volume 4.3 billion shares. It's just average for the latest stuff. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq negative 1851. So more stocks down than up. The advanced decline ratio 10-day moving average has been negative now for a while, so just be aware of that. The New York negative 917. Again, we had dipped to some pretty negative advanced decline 10-day moving average there just a couple days ago. Google loses $42.70, but like I said, it's up in the aftermarket. Apple, though, down at $2.22, not a big deal. Down a little bit more in the aftermarket. Netflix up $2.42. It's kind of a blip on the Netflix. Amazon down 73.43. Tesla down 12.84. Keeps it right in the range. It's literally where it was, I think, January 1st, pretty much. It's been nowhere all year. Facebook down $4.65. Zoom down $5.60. Goldman Sachs down $1.06. Also a blip. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up $1.58. So bonds rates going lower. Dow down just 85 points. Didn't really do much all day, but then again, it's just the Dow. Bitcoin at 39,000, almost back to 40,000. Remember, can't really make this up, right? Look at that 13 buy signal, and then it dips under 30,000 right 2 days later, bounces off the risk line. I mean, you can't make this up. This stuff works the same on the cryptos as it does on everything else. That's why these tools are so powerful. Let's look at the intraday action 5-minute candles. So after Monday was a flat opening and mostly a flat day that kind of drifted a little higher late, we get this gap down Tuesday and just sold off hard. Came back, though. Look at that last hour or so. Actually, right after lunch, they came back. The zombies returned and pushed up also in the last like 10 minutes, a chunk extra. Here's the Nasdaq side. Same kind of deal there. All right, so remember, we started a 2-day Fed meeting today. The announcement is on Wednesday. Puts the announcement at 2 p.m., the press conference at 2:30. Crude oil inventories are out at 10:30. We've got the goods trade balance and preliminary wholesale inventories at 8:30. Canada's got some numbers before that. But again, it's going to be about the Fed tomorrow and then what they say. Again, I wouldn't expect them to do anything with rates, but they might talk about the future better. And then you have a lot of stocks reporting after the bell tomorrow and beyond. So we will see what that does to us. And then Thursday, hopefully, it's a free and clear trading day. Friday, I would imagine it's going to be slow. It's a Friday in the summer, with the last Friday in July. It's also the statement printing day. So I don't think they're going to let anything get too far out of hand on the Friday, let the statements print, and then go from there. If you're looking at the month of July, you know, right now we're up a little bit, but not much, and it could still easily close even. So it might not matter, statement printing. It's just a monthly statement close, not a quarterly or a half year, or certainly not the end of year. So we will see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.